My name is James Gurney, and I'm going to do a painting here of this street corner in Rhinecliff, New York in Casein. We have a cat here named October that keeps coming over and checking things out. Now, my goal with this painting is to try to capture it in a fairly limited palette of just raw sienna, cobalt blue, a little Venetian red, and white. It's backlit, so the shadow side of the building is a little bit down from white, even though it's a white building. And what I've got to do is try to get the warm light bouncing up into the shadows, and then some of the cool cast shadows on top of the forms.